Hello viewers, thank you for stopping by my channel. It's your girl Nature. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for the latest update. In this video, I'll be teaching you the medicinal properties of corn silk tea. This is my corn silk. Corn is widely grown in West Africa, Nigeria to be precise. In our various kitchens, we normally discard the corn silk, thinking it was useless. Today, I'll be teaching you that this overlooked treasure holds the secret to healthy life. Okay, now the medicinal properties of corn silk tea. If you're a man, please come close. Have you been to scan before and you were told you have prostate enlargement or prostate hyperplasia? Please and please and please, you can see how I stretched it. Fall in love with corn silk tea. Okay, what this tea is going to do is going to shrink or normalize your prostate gland. Okay, and please don't be stingy with this information. Share it to your other men folks so that they can know the importance of the corn silk tea. Okay? Do you have UTI, urinary tract infection? Please fall in love with corn silk tea. Do you want to balance your cholesterol level? Please fall in love with corn silk tea. Do you want to manage your blood sugar level? Fall in love with corn silk tea. Do you have inflammation of the liver or inflammation of the lymphatic system? Fall in love with corn silk tea. Now, let me show you how to prepare the corn silk tea. Get a handful of corn silk, okay? Wash it thoroughly under a rolling water. Put it in your pot. Add a cup of water to it. Add a cup of water to it, okay? Bring it to boil. Let it sit for 15 minutes, after which you sieve it out and take it first thing on an empty stomach. And last thing at night before going to bed. Okay? Guys, I hope you find my video interesting. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? If you have any question, okay, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay? Till I come your way next time, okay? Stay healthy. Thanks.